Whether it's drive-through or mail order, we've never had so many coronavirus tests. The government claiming 177,000 were carried out yesterday alone. And numbers in hospital with COVID are falling too, dipping below 10,000 for the first time since March. But why, the Prime Minister was asked today, do we still not have a system for tracing new cases of the virus?
That's a huge hole in our defences, isn't it, Prime Minister?
We're making vast progress in testing and tracing, and I have great confidence that by June the 1st we will have a system that will enable us, will help us very greatly to defeat this disease and move the country forward.
The Test, Track and Trace scheme is designed to identify close contacts of people who test positive and ensure they're tested and self-isolate too. The government said today a mobile phone app would only ever be one component of the wider system, the bulk of it being 13,500 contact tracers recruited to be on the end of a phone. And one of them we've spoken to today doesn't share the Prime Minister's confidence in a June the 1st launch.
Although we're the ones meant to be helping you with this app, how are we meant to help you if we haven't even got a clue what we're meant to be doing ourselves?
The man who spoke to us on condition of anonymity is supposed to start contact tracing tomorrow at 8 a.m.
As far as I've understood the training that I've had so far, all they've said is there's a script to follow. I've not seen the full script. I've not seen what we're going to be going through. I've not had one test phone call. We've been told if they start asking things we don't know about to pass it on to a manager. I haven't had contact with a manager yet.
Other countries that have been successful in contact tracing have made use of local authority health teams. But those in the UK say the government hasn't been clear about their role.
One of the key things about this pandemic is the fact that it's local surges, and actually that's best to treat those surges locally, understand what it means, and then really clamp down to make sure that people can be checked and traced and prevent the spread as best as possible.
And without a fast, efficient test, track and trace system, lockdown can't be lifted.
After all this time, the only weapon we really have available to us is to block transmission. Yeah, it's a very dangerous virus, and it's a very transmissible virus. And the countries that have done the best have been the ones that have done this, have done test, track and trace, and really meant it. So I think it is feasible with the will to do it, but you really have to mean it.
The only other ingredient for success is us. If the public doesn't continue social distancing, download the app when it's available and get tested, the virus will find its way around any tracing system put in its way.